If you're planning to attend HAI Heli Expo 2023, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From March 6th through the 9th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during Heli Expo's exhibit hall hours at the Georgia World Congress Center in Atlanta, Georgia. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspections, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at Heli Expo why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by engineers and technicians throughout the helicopter maintenance industry's remote visual inspections of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you'll be able to demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech Video Borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.